Barcia on the 51 and his teammate Kennard on the 41. Barcia gets to motorcyclesuperstore.com holeshot.
Riders down right out of the gate. And James Stewart out of the gate with the motorcyclesuperstore.com holeshot. Dunchy right behind him on the number 1.
Followed by Josh Grant. It looks like a BTO Sports KTM rider. And it's going to be Wil Hahn again, another hole shot. But guess who's right with him? Jeremy Martin, the home track specialist, literally is right there in the 77 and trying to go for the lead.
And it's Wil Hahn again, dominating the starts this year. Another motorcyclesuperstore.com hole shot for him. Blake back into the number 1, and Martin are right there.